it. Don't take the snow up the hill. Take it over here. What?
Come on, go down this hill.
I want to see you go down the hill again. Let's take a picture. Not in the face. Hey. Gloves.
Yeah. Do you want these? I don't know if you can fit.
Those are yours.
No, I don't know who's there.
I think they're yours.
Yeah.
They're too small.
I can see if they fit. All right, come on, go down the hill here.
Go on down the hill. Grandma, see you go down the hill again.
One more time.
One time? Okay. What?
I'm doing surf up with Papa.
Oh, you wanna go with me again?
Yeah.
Huh?
We're doing surf up.
We're doing surfs up?
Yeah.
Well, if you're surfs up, then you're going this way and you're going by yourself.
No!
Alright, well I can't go on top of you.
It's okay.
I'll crush you.
Just go.
You
Really fast.
ready?
No, no. Get on.
I can't get on!
I don't want to.
You can't go head first and I go on with you. How's that gonna work?
Fine, then you
Spread out, huh? We get on first? In the back or in the front? In the front? I can't lay down. How am I gonna lay down? Alright, fine. Now what?
Okay, Grandma.
What?
Steady.
It's not gonna work.
Steady. Steady, steady, steady.
It's not gonna work. Wait, I'm going over the rope. Alright, you ready?
Ready.
I got a snow shower. My face. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Don't do that. Get into my neck. Hey.
No, Billy, don't do that. You're going to get a snow bath.
Yeah.
Oh!
What?
Get me up here.
Give me a hand?
Yeah.
Alright. You're nuts. No, I'm not sitting in the snow.